Hello and welcome to our Africa Eco Tour. We are at the Maasai community.
Great, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Have culture as one of our initiatives, and here we try to preserve our beautiful culture. The women engage in beadwork. They continue to create these beautiful pieces which are part of our culture as a way to preserve our culture and also our heritage.
So how do you, what do you make?
This is the sheep skin. This is sheep skin. She's the one who designed it and made it from scratch. And they bead it so well. And then the girl would like tie them around her waist and others on as a veil. And they would be like beaded like this.
Oh, wow.
And then they would have a lot of beadwork. All these should wear like kilograms heavy of beadwork on her wedding day. Yeah.
And is that a wedding gown?
Yeah, this is the wedding gown.
Yeah.
This is the wedding gown. This is what the Maasai brides wear when they're getting married. It's like a skirt.
Yeah,
It's around her. The second one is like this green shuka. And the other one is like this one. So she makes the three of them.
Is this for the wedding that's coming up?
No, she's like just showcasing it. But I think she also wants to like let it go. Maasai, they're like now exploring different styles, but this one is quite old, very old. These ones are not as old, but these ones are the most new in the market, like these styles, these ones, because before.
Thank you. Oh, wow. Give me a double dip here. Whoa.
Saa hizi kiangazi umekuwa juu sana. Tunaona nyasi ako ni kidogo kabisa. Sisi nauza maziwa lakini saa hizi hatuna chochote. Hata kama iko kiangazi, sisi wa mama unafanya hii mambo ya washanga. Unafanya, umeniambia kama angepata mahali ya nini ya kuchukua hii shanga yetu, sisi itafanya hiyo mambo. Hata kama iko kiangazi, sisi nakaa, utashonea nini changa, utashona kila kitu inahusu changa.